Hello, Lockheed Jets. This is again Miss Austin. It is Tuesday, August 18th, and today I'm going to talk to you about today's schedule and the independent work that students are going to complete today on Schoology. So when you go to August, and the top will always be at the top, virtual learning schedule will always be at the top. So let's look at today's schedule. Log in at 9 o'clock. Please try to be on time. I had a lot of students log in around 9:15, 9:20 yesterday, and they missed some important instruction. At 9:20 is the live math lesson. So we usually do the morning meeting first and the live math lesson at 9:20. 9:50, begin independent work on Schoology. What is that independent work? Let's find out. So, to find the independent work, always go to our Schoology page, August. Today is August 18th, Tuesday. Click on our menu board. Okay, so here's the menu board. So students did all these for Monday, and they received their 5 points if they did. So for Tuesday, writing session 3. So task 1 first. Writing session 3, where to start and end. So students are going to click this website right here. Now, I'm already automatically logged on, but there's going to be a username and password for the students to enter. The username is going to be Lockheed Second, and the password is Second 2020. What I will have parents what I will need parents to do for Lockheed Second, make sure you help students capitalize the L. So the shift in L. So students may need help logging in, so click the video. Lockheed Second's the username. Password is 2020. Students are going to watch this video. It's going to be how to take our small moments from last week and turn them into a second grade story. Students could use their notebook and take a picture of it, the ones they received in their supply bag, or they can type it. So task 1 is just watching the video. Task 2 is the writing lesson 3 assignment. Notice there's nothing to click here. So you're going to go back into our folder. Task 2 right here. Writing lesson 3 assignment. Create your own second grade story like we watched in the video. You can use one of your small moments from last week to write your story. Either type it in the comments or upload a picture and submit it on Schoology or Class Dojo. So you could either type your story in the comments, make sure it's a second grade story like they talk about in the video, or you can write it in your notebook and take a picture and upload it here, or send it to me on Class Dojo. I will take either. All right, so task 1 is to simply watch the video. Task 2 is to do the writing lesson and write your story. Then task 3 is math lesson 1.3. Students can either do the workbook page, which will be page 15, which is in their blue folder from their supply bag, or they can do it on the computer. So most choose to do it on the computer because it's quicker and it's less questions, and it's less of a pain to take a picture and send to me. So as a reminder, to do it on the computer, students would go to Clever, click log in with Google. All right, so I'm going to pretend to be this student. So log into Clever like you normally would. All right, so to do the math, you click Easy Bridge, the one with the little bridge right here. Click on that. It may ask you to log in through Google again. Just click your name, sign in. You're going to get a plain looking page like that. What you do, click the button on the right, the one that says Savas Realize. As I always try to remember it by the little polka dots up here. Then it's going to show your name. You're going to click on My Work. What you do is you would finish anything that's in your folder, okay? Now, tomorrow you'll see one that says 1-3. That'll be the one I'm grading. But if you have anything else in your folder, that's a past assignment, so go ahead and do anything and everything that's in your folder. Okay? So that's task 3 to complete your math assignment. There's the daily phonics task. So for some reason you forgot to watch this video from yesterday, the soft C and G sounds, make sure you watch that one first because that's lesson 1. Lesson 2 will be phonics right here. You click that. Watch the video. It is continuing work on phonics, soft G and soft C. So watch that video. Then your daily task, 15 minutes of Lexia. My 10 friends that do Lexia, make sure you complete at least 15 minutes a day. At least 15 minutes on symphony math. Every single student should do symphony math every single day. Every single day. That means all 15 students in Miss Austin's class should get 45 minutes by the end of the day on Friday. If you have finished symphony and Lexia, do Ingenuity instead, which is also on Clever. You would click the red lantern. And then 15 minutes of independent reading, either with a book or an epic. Code XPX 1559. Click on your name. And once you're reading, your levels start to go up. So great job, Deborah and Emily, Jordan, Kayla, Caleb, Kevin, Nathan, Sanaya. Awesome job. So make sure you're reading, or you can read a book at home if you'd rather do that. But it's easier for me to see when you choose Epic. All right. So that's your task for today, and that's all your independent work. I'm going to go back to the schedule. So work on the independent work all throughout the day. Blue Math Group, you stop what you do and click on the Zoom link at the top of our Schoology for your math group session at 10:30. Green Math Group, you're going to do the same thing at 11. So if you forget what math group you're in, I always put it in the folder every single day. So I met with Purple and Red yesterday. Blue Group is today at 10:30. That's Nathan, Jordan, Amira, and Susan. Green Group will be at 11. Kayla, Anaya, Sanaya, Miguel. So that's when you stop your Schoology work for a bit, come to lesson, and you can, when you're done working, you can come back and work on your Schoology work again. So you can stop and work on it throughout the day. All right, I'm going to go back to the schedule. So remember this week I'm not doing reading lessons and reading groups because I have to do reading tests with all my students one-on-one, kind of like with the phonics last week. So I met with some students yesterday. Today I'm going to meet Jonathan at 12:45, Kayla at 1 o'clock, Sanaya at 1:15, and Jordan at 1:30. All right. At 1:55, the specials today is music. That can always be found since it's day 2 and specials folder. Day 2 music. And you click on his Zoom link, Mr. Fleming's Zoom link. Or if you want a quick find, I also put it in our folder of the day at the very bottom. So it'll be the same Zoom link. And if you ever forget the time, it's also right there. 1:55 music. And then at 2:30, we have a live reading lesson. All right, that is the schedule for today. And I will see you at 9 o'clock bright and early. Bye.